Hello, I'm Ben Tennyson. We will learn about dial-up internet access. Dial-up internet access is a form of internet access that uses the facilities of the public switched telephone network (PSTN) to establish a connection to an internet service provider (ISP) by dialing a telephone number on a conventional telephone line. Dial-up connections use modems to decode audio signals into data to send to a router or computer and to encode signals from the latter two devices to send to another modem. Here's the sample. Into the history, back in 1979, Tom Truscott and Steve Bellevin, graduates of Duke University, created an early predecessor to dial-up internet access called the Usenet. The Usenet was a Unix-based system that used a dial-up connection to transfer data through telephone modems. Dial-up internet has been around since the 1980s via public providers such as NSF-NET-linked universities. After the introduction of commercial broadband in the late 1990s, dial-up internet access became less popular in the mid-2000s. It is still used where other forms are not available or where the cost is too high, as in some rural or remote areas. Modems can be used everywhere, in your homes, schools, offices and others. In Windows or Mac, a user has to input the valid username and password. The configuration must be set to me only. And its dial-up is given below as 10-digit number, then choose dial. The dial-up starts in progress, and it makes noises. If the connection does not work properly, try restarting your modem and give it a retry. Nowadays replaced by broadband connections typically offer high-speed connections. It doesn't make any noise while connecting. Besides, connection has a rate in terms of bits per second. Older technologies of modem have 20 to 30 kilobits per second and is very noisy. Modern technologies have better high speeds up to 700 kilobits per second. Other devices, such as satellite receivers and digital video recorders, have also used dial-up connection using a household phone socket. This connection allowed to download data at request and to report usage. So, I hope you now know how the dial-up modem works. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.